Hey folks, ET here coming at you with the pre-market prep, Monday prep on a Sunday. So let's get to it. We're starting off with our daily customer sentiment and our whale target. 600 whale has appeared again. So let's see how that pans out. They've kind of popped in and then dropped off over and over the past few sessions. So let's see if we can keep it going. We're at about 588 right now in the overnight session, which doesn't matter if we're not trading futes. Not too important for us right now, but we're at 588. We have a lower target now of 560, so very interesting. And our customers are sort of neutral to slightly bearish right there as we go. So 589 is a support level. We're a little bit below it right now. That doesn't mean we're just going to nuke to 560. We always say the data sometimes exists before the news, and there's a lot of news right now going on over on the Russia-Ukraine front. So if we're going to get a big bad red day at some point or some continuation to the downside, that might be a catalyst to bring us to the data that already exists there. Jumping into our dark pools, largest ag is at 589, and we're just below that. Obviously, 588.18 in the overnight session, so really thin to the downside. Interesting there. We'll see how all this pans out and how it changes over the coming sessions. Jumping into our SPY Gamma, let's go ahead and take a look and see what it looks like. So ag still has us showing about 580 is the largest pull. A couple of goalposts at 585 and 591. Second largest on the board is 600. So if we trade between these goalposts, we know why. A nice $6 range. We'll see how that pans out. Go ahead and zoom back out, jump into our Monday, and then zoom back in so I can see it and so can you. So let's go ahead and get into our Monday and see what that looks like. So interesting here. Goalposts on Monday, 585, 589, then a positive gamma cluster here at 591 and 592. So plain and simple, we can't break 589. We're going to come on down to 585. We do have a big repel here, so we'd have to get below that with strength to get to the biggest pull on the board tomorrow, which is 580. We'd have to gamma ramp down past all these positive levels, simply put, to get down to that spot. If not, we're going to trade between 585 and 589, and 589 really into 592. Unless some crazy good news happens, break that into our 595. Biggest pull is still around 580 though, so it would make sense with an almost equal pull for us to stick within these green bars right here for tomorrow. We'll see how it plays out. Some news could definitely drop us or send us. Data's already there waiting though. All right, that is all for now. Everybody have a good night. Stay safe out there and go get that Oprah money.